Look over there. That man is busy with his dog.
Yes, I understand. Just hold on a moment.
We can walk his dog and get money. That sounds good. We can walk your dog for you.
Can you take care of my dog?
We can take care of your dog.
I am very busy, so I agree.
I will give you $20 after you finish.
We can buy our robot soon. Yeah, soon. We will do this job well. This is easy. We will. Hey, stop! My food is gone. We are so sorry. That was my mom's money. Oh. We'll give you money for it. Here, take this. We hope you feel better. Thank you so much. We lost our money. We keep going. It is very hot. We buy ice cream. Should we buy ice cream? We need to save money for the robot. It is just a few dollars. It is okay. I want strawberry ice cream. I want chocolate ice cream. Where is the dog? We lost the dog. We split up and look for it, okay? Dog, where are you? Come back, dog! I see the dog. We found you. The dog wants a girlfriend. Oh my God, the ice cream is melting. We can't eat the ice cream. Help! He took my bag!
I got a lot of money.
The dog is gone. We need to catch up.
What is wrong with you, dog? Get away from me!
The dog caught him.
Good boy, Barnaby!
Amazing. I can't believe he caught him. Thank you so much. I give you $10. That was crazy. I think we should buy food for the dog. Yeah, we should. This is for you. Now we go home. We are almost done with the job. Yes, that is right. Ah! Oh no! Come out now! We are so dirty! Pull it out! Come on, dog. Oh my God. Will the owner be mad? Do we need to pay money? We are back.
What happened?
It was very hard. Everything was bad.
My dog looks very happy. It looks bad, but my dog likes it. Do you want to work for me every day?
No, we cannot do this again.
Okay, if this is too hard, here is your $20.
Thank you so much. We need $100. This is too hard. Maybe we should stop.
Why do you look so sad?
We are very tired. Maybe we will not buy the robot.
Wait a minute. This is for my friend Fiora. Can you deliver this box for me?
Yeah.
I will give you $50.
$50? We can do it. Hurry up! We need to protect the box carefully. I think someone is watching us.
What will happen to the package? Let's watch in the next video. Don't forget like video and subscribe Sun English. Bye-bye.